TRIP, Transport Research and Innovation Portal. Research and innovation are vital for achieving a competitive, sustainable and resource-efficient transport system in Europe. Good transport is essential for the EU's economy, and it is important to support mobility while at the same time working towards the EU's targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. To this end, the EU Research and Innovation Strategy, Horizon 2020, is fostering the development of new solutions for an integrated, safe and clean Europe-wide transport network. Matthias Reuter, Director General of DG Move, the European Commission's Transport Department, explains the EU's priorities as outlined in the White Paper of 2011.
We have in the White Paper on Transport Policy in the year 2011 defined a European policy on transport. There we have set ourselves some very ambitious objectives. One ambitious objective is that we want to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 60% by the year 2050. The other ambitious objective is that we want to strengthen the competitiveness of transport industry and maintain the strength of transport in the world as a whole. So globally speaking, transport in Europe is still one of the major industries. Europe is still a world leader in transport. We need to make sure that it stays world leader. And because of that, we will be needing, in order to have smart solutions, resource-efficient solutions in transport, a lot of investment in research and innovation. Now, European transport industry itself invests already a lot in transport research and innovation, around some 40 billion euros a year. We will have perhaps on the European Union level some 1 to 1.5 billion euros a year in order to support transport research. So we need to concentrate. And we think that concentrating on 3 major areas is probably the best thing to do. First of all, the area of clean and efficient vehicles, all modes of transport. So clean and efficient cars, trucks, trains, planes. Second area is better and smart use of infrastructure. We will not be able to build more and more infrastructure in the European Union, so we better make a better use of this infrastructure and use means of IT in order to use it better. The third one is integrated smart mobility solutions. We, at the moment, have a tendency to think about transport in different separate modes, but I want to come from my house to the house of my friends and perhaps use different mobility solutions. The same goes also for freight. We need integrated smart solutions. These are the 3 areas in which we will be concentrating research. This strategic transport plan, the STTP, will be trying to develop roadmaps for research to the year 2030 and beyond, and it will be fully integrated with our future framework program for research, Horizon 2020. We need to see how we can actually pool and we can network the ongoing efforts in the different areas in a different way. And this is why we want to consult the stakeholders on all these issues, because we need to know from the stakeholders where the additional euro from the European Union makes the biggest effect. We want added European value rather than displacing already ongoing research efforts.